I'll be posting a multi-part series on this 3900 original hour John Deere 4850 two-wheel drive tractor. Despite the tractor's low hour, cosmetic condition is terrible. It originated from the high altitude regions of Colorado, which the higher the elevation, the more UV direct light the tractor will receive, which means the paint, the wiring, anything that the sunlight can come into contact with gets eaten up faster. Mechanically, it's a very solid tractor. Cosmetically, it's quite rough. The first step's been tear down of the tractor, which is removing the sheet metal, fuel tank, cab interior, cab door, and the rooftop. The reason we had to remove the rooftop was because the tractor has been backed into something, which actually not only shattered the green rooftop, it actually shattered the black main cab roof below it, which was a bit of an unexpected repair. However, we're going to do this tractor and do it right, so it'll be like new condition when it's completed. Many of the original parts for the Soundguard body, primarily the 50 series, are getting hard to come by, so this will be the last Soundguard body tractor I will ever be restoring or redoing. This tractor has some specific duties around our farm. It should work well for us for years to come. As I put this video series together, I will take you around and show you what we've done on the tractor, what parts need repaired and why, and what parts are available and what parts are not available. I will also show you how to repair certain items on the tractor and how the tractor is assembled, so it should make for a good video series. What you guys are seeing here in these early clips and photos from my phone are nothing more than the tear down and cleanup of the tractor. And sadly, the more we dig on it, the more things we find broken. And like I say, I'm a perfectionist, so this tractor is going to get done right way. If it's broke, it gets replaced. In the end, it will have 16.5L 16.1 front tires and 20.8 by 42 Firestone deep tread rear tires and duals. And it will be 100% cosmetically redone and look great. And there's that new rooftop. So stay tuned for this video series and many more videos coming up. If you like this kind of video or like what you see on the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and more videos coming soon.